Hello and welcome to Zero to Game Dev Hero. In this lesson, we will install Unity and Visual Studio Code. Let's go to the Unity page. You can find the link in the description. I will install it on a Mac, but it's similar to Windows, so it doesn't matter which platform you use. So on the Unity page, the download button is at the top, so you can just click it, download Unity. And then it will ask you if you want to download it for Windows. So if you have Windows, just download it for Windows. Or you want to have another version, I want to have another version. And because I want to install it for the Mac, I click on download for Mac and it will download the Unity Hub. If the Unity Hub is downloaded, we can just open it. You will get this window to install the hub. You can go through the setup, so you can agree. The installation of the Unity Hub is pretty easy on Mac OS, so you just need to take this application and drop it into the application folder. Now you can open the Unity Hub. And you need to log in first if you're here the first time. I have some projects here already, so just ignore them. And what you can do here is you can go to installs, and here you can install editor. There you need to click on install editor. Then you have a few versions you can install, and just pick the newest or one of those LTS versions. It means long-term support, so versions that will be supported a long time. And Unity always recommends one of those versions. So here you can see that this 2021 version, 2021.3.12 F1 version is recommended. So you can click here on install. Then you will be asked to select the things you want to be installed. So click on Visual Studio for Mac. This will be installed then as well. And for now, we don't need anything else. If you want to make games for Android or iOS, or build later the games to a Windows exe file, you can just select those modules, but just to developing in Unity, you don't need those, and you can install them later. So you can click continue, and you need sometimes to agree to those terms and conditions, and then click install, and then it will download it, and it will install everything. And after this is finished, you can just start developing games. One thing I want to show you is that, let's close this. So if you have a version installed already, you can see those versions here under installs. And I have, for example, those two versions installed. And if I want to add something, some modules, I can click on this icon here and then click on add modules. And here you can, click on whatever module you want to add to this build, to this version, and it will be added then. Now if this is installed, you can go to projects and click on new project, and then create a new project. But we will do this in the next video. In the next video, we'll create a new project, and I will show you the Unity editor. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. I would appreciate it if you hit the sub button if you like my content. And see you next time.